That's it is fun. Hey guys, welcome back to Closkitchen. We're doing a car vlog today and we're going to try SLTTY Vegan Burger.
Yes. So today we got two things on the menu. We're trying out the one night stand and
Ménage à trois.
Okay.
Which I'm not gonna tell y'all what it means.
Oh, they don't label it?
Oh Lord, look at the size of the box.
Oh, they did. Oh.
Fancy. You got the fries, and this is the Ménage à trois burger.
We're family, so we're sharing, y'all, because we want to be able to taste two burgers at a time. She has a lot to choose from, so we want to be able to taste two burgers at a time. So we got two different.
Fries is crispy and seasoned.
So she told y'all she has the Ménage à trois, which is basically vegan shrimp, and I got the one night stand, which is a regular burger, right? Loaded with bacon.
Vegan burger. Vegan bacon, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this.
That is massive. They are massive. Both burgers are pretty big.
Big.
Yours is bigger than mine.
Oh yeah. Mine has more.
Okay. We about to burn up for y'all. Oh, we got two drinks. The same thing. I'm gonna pull up hers. The pineapple cream soda. You know, East Coast teams. I'm a fries girl, so I gotta taste these fries.
It tastes real good.
They season their fries.
Yes.
Ooh. And everything is loaded with what sauce?
You definitely gotta eat it.
Oh, God is great. Okay, Ménage à trois.
Look at that sauce, y'all. Look at this. Ooh. Wee.
Y'all know this is out of our element. Filming outside. Wow, the bacon looks like real bacon.
Oh, it does.
Okay.
There we go. Look at that bacon, y'all.
So much sauce. We're gonna eat this at home, but we're gonna eat it here because
Yeah,
it's a lot of sauce.
It's on a what you call those?
Hawaiian bun.
So you know that gets soggy very quickly.
First bite.
Yo, my mouth ain't big enough for this.
Oh, yours has meat too? Meat and shrimp?
Mm-hmm. It doesn't taste like shrimp. I would say the burger tastes like meat.
Mm-hmm.
And the not shrimp. The bacon, it tastes like bacon.
It's pretty good. It's weird. That's why I'm not saying much, because the meat that we get from Morningstar,
That's just like a basic burger. Yours tastes like a basic burger.
Mm. The shrimp don't taste like shrimp, but it tastes good.
It tastes like chicken.
We got ketchup here.
I don't think I need ketchup. So that's the shrimp, y'all. But it tastes like a chicken nugget to me. It tastes like the imitation crab.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like to me.
Actually, yeah. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's not too wet. I thought it was gonna be soggy as crap, but it's not bad.
It definitely isn't soggy. Not bad. I just tasted it.
I'm so proud of her, y'all.
By the way, it's a black-owned business. Forgot to mention that. And they have other flavors, other kinds of burgers. But this is good.
You think that's yours, bro?
When I go food shopping, I always look at it and it looks plastic to me. Not this stuff. I'm
not a huge fan of it, but it's okay.
It has a little bit of the taste. It's starting to slide.
Because you sitting there eating fries. I know better.
I'm trying to mix the two. Half of this will fill you up. Because I'm full.
Annoying. I'm full.
Me too. But I'm a full, so need it.
That's the only things that you ain't gonna have no leftovers. That's gonna be soggy.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my fries, take my fries home. That's one thing about plant-based stuff. You get full very easy. Whereas if you eat a regular burger, you probably could eat 2 burgers in one sitting.
She got the onions, everything.
Yeah. So my burger had shrimp. I mean, everything I'm talking about is vegan. Vegan shrimp, vegan patty, the special vegan sauce, whatever mayo they put in there, that's vegan. Tomato, lettuce, the works. Caramelized onions. And I think I said bacon already.
Oh, they gave us
napkin. It was rolled up in there.
But it's messy.
Yeah. Customer service, excellent.
The folks that do car vlogs, how? How, Sway? How, Mom?
I don't know. That was so rude. He cut me in the middle of my thing. Making all that doggone noise.
Yo, I'm beyond full. I still had like the little ends, but I can't. And it's getting soggy.
I'm still rolling. They serve alcohol drinks too. The slushies, they serve that too. We didn't get it though. Cause somebody got to drive home.
She got some bomb merch, not like that. Let me just slap a logo on a t-shirt, like some real beautiful, cute merch.
Yeah, on the back.
Stuff that I would actually wear as like an outfit. Not just like, oh, let me just grab some merch and hold on to it. Real modern too. They got like the biker shorts and everything. Not like them class reunion style t-shirts.
Yeah. That nice thick cotton material.
The ones that hug your body and your curves and stuff. Yo, we parked all the way in the back.
We had to.
And still. So far we have tried 2 of their flavors. We'll probably try the whole menu, to be honest. Because y'all know we on this whole like plant-based thing.
We're trying it.
We're trying, yeah.
We not, disclaimer, we are not vegans.
Yeah, but I think it'll be dope for us to have the option of like going out to eat and not having to get like meat. Because if y'all know anything about the South, everything is meat.
Yeah.
Overall, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So the whole thing was $39.58. The one night stand, not the one night stand. What is yours, Mom?
Menage a trois.
That one was $19. All of them come with fries already, so you're not adding that as a side. $19 for hers. The one night stand that I got, the regular burger,
and the 2 sodas.
was $15, and the 2 sodas were like $2 something each, so $6 total. And then tipping and all of that. So altogether we spent $50 on the 2 meals, which I think is not bad because buying normal food would have probably cost the same. For the size of the burgers that you're getting,
yeah,
these
those
are like
not regular size.
Yeah. The meat that she uses is Impossible burger meat. So if you're if you already buy that, you'll probably like the burger.
That's the name of it?
Impossible Burger. That's them expensive ones that Egg Burger we've been trying not to get. But yeah. So, final verdict from me is a 10 out of 10. I think it was nice. Definitely a treat though. Kind of like going out to like treat yourself.
Yeah.
Not like a let me go run and get Burger King for the kids.
Yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 for me, definitely. So if you guys are here in Atlanta, definitely try her out. But let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried vegan burger, or if you're in the Atlanta area, have you ever tried these burgers?
Or if you've ever had the Beyond Meat Impossible Burger
too.
Because we buy Morningstar. I know a lot of people don't like it, but we like it. That's the one that we like. Because we like a more crispier burger. Oh, by the way, these burgers are not, crispy. If you're into crispy burgers, I don't know if it's the sauce or if they just make it soft like that.
It might be the sauce.
Because I can't,
it was not crispy at all.
And that's usually my preference, but it's not nasty. It's not soggy and nasty, but like...
It's moist.
It's moist, yeah. Kind of like if you had normal meat.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like the juices from cooking normal meat. Like it's kind of like that. You could tell they worked really hard on trying to imitate regular meat. The bacon wasn't my favorite. I don't really like the bacon. But I think I like regular bacon. The
patty was my favorite.
Yeah, I feel like you could fool somebody with that patty.
Yeah.
The bacon, not so much. Because I like... Everything in our house, y'all, is probably overcooked, but that's just how we cook.
Yeah, I like it well. I like everything well cooked. I love it
crispy, yeah. But it was good.
Yeah.
It was good overall. So would you come back?
Yeah, I will come back. No time soon, though. It's not something...
The line wasn't too long. We came in the evening.
Yeah.
So the line wasn't too long. But while we were getting dressed, we were watching her story to see what the location looked like. And it was lit. By the time we got out here, because we did some garden work and all that, it was nighttime.
Yeah.
So. All right, y'all. We're about to head home. We hope that y'all enjoyed the car mukbang.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye, y'all.